Today we're gonna prepare our lunch right here on this grill. We're gonna do barbecue chicken. It's a whole chicken. It's been seasoned with Jamaican seasoning. We'll be also doing wedge fries on the grill. These wedge fries are prepared with olive oil. They're seasoned with garlic, parsley, and I have already prepped all of this, seasoned it, having it ready to go on the grill. The rice I have already cooked. Just hold on as we get this grill fired up for the barbecue. So let's get started. I have my lighter fluid, my matches. Now let's prepare the coals. Okay. I'm gonna add fluid. Just go generous with it. Now let's strike a fire. But it's not like gasoline. Gasoline will boom. Press it on. Yeah. And leave these coals going down. Just now it's ready to throw on the meat and the potatoes. Okay, let's get this on the way. Now most of the heat is here. You see I split the chicken down the breast, open it up in two. I'll put the fattest part just over the fire, just there. Okay, now I have the fries. Okay, so the fries I've drained a bit. We get a so I'll put the fries here. I'll rotate everything as it starts to cook. Man, I can't wait to test this. Can't wait. The boys will go crazy. Let's open her up. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh yes, the color is coming. The color is coming. Just flip it here. Yep. At that side, and we're gonna turn this so the rest of the fries go get their color. I'm gonna let this get some color on this side. Let it brown up some more, let the meat cook through. Then I'll turn it and let the skin side cook a little further. Looking good. Don't want to get too dry. Okay, whoa, look at that. Look at that. Man, this is coming along great. Coming along great. Leaving the potatoes. Look like they're ready. I'm gonna flip them, put some olive oil just to keep it going, and we're gonna check back on this in a while. Man, I can already taste it. Turn the fries. Oops. Make sure they don't stick. Getting there, we're getting there. They're pretty much cooked. I'm going to turn the chicken in just a moment. Turn it, skin side now. Whoa, look at that. Up there, move this out. Now the skin side cook good. Yep. I think the fries are ready to come off. Get these off in a while. What is the chicken saying? Look at that. Look at the juices. Look at that. Look at the juices. Okay, the fries are off. Let's check our chicken. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Lunch is about to be served. Sorry I couldn't share my meal with you on camera. Everyone enjoyed it. If you want to see future videos that is not only about the gym, that is not only about cooking, but fixing the very things around your home, now is the time for you to like, subscribe, and share. And look forward to the upcoming video. Like my co-worker Cream would say, people, I'm out of here.